Welcome to ColeMass system. That is the system for the common share room between the flatmates. So in our system, we will demo to you that we have two apartments, Gukasbek and Bad House. For each apartment, we will have one local admin being assigned to manage. So for Gukasbek, we have both. We have Alex to be the local admin, and White House we have Bob as the local admin. And now there's a circumstance that David, he's a new user. He wants to join in our system, and he will want to move to the Gukasbek apartment. So firstly, he has to register, fill in the form of user registration in our system. And here's the form. To register as a new user, fill in the username, email, and password, confirm password, and sign up. Yeah, it's worked fine. And then David wants to one more step to make sure that David can be can have the right to move into the apartment. He has the acceptance permission from the local admin. That is the Alex. Let's log in as Alex and move in user, and then input the Gmail of David. So Alex will assign David into our apartment and assign the card and click move in user. Yeah, and invitation link will be sent to David. Let's check the email, and then you can see that the link will be sent. And one more step, David had to confirm for the last step. And now welcome to the new apartment. That is the move in flow. Now we want to demo the move out flow. In move out flow, David he had just found out a new apartment with cheaper price rather than the Gukasbek. So he decided to move out to a new apartment, Doodle Plus. So let's see his current status now. So he is in the Gukasbek to move out to a new apartment, which is not available in our system. Firstly, he has to move out from the system and fill in the apartment registration form. Firstly, move out. Click move out. And then there will be a message sent to David. You successfully moved out from your current apartment. Now, he has to fill in the form of the create new apartment, because Doodle Plus is the new apartment. We input the apartment name, apartment address, Saarbruecken, username, input the correct username of David, and email. And then system will assign David as the local admin. Let's see. Yes, invitation link will be sent to the user. So here is come, and then one more step, and David can become the local admin of Doodle Plus apartment. You're now local admin of your new apartment. Let's see, David. Yeah, now David is local admin of apartment Doodle Plus. Now come to Android. I want to demo to you some other features. We can make similar things like in web. So let's log in as Bob. He's a local admin of the White House. Then we have the to-do list, complete list, reviews, chores, some things like that. The same with the web. And when sliding menu, you can have the functions like a QR code functions to scan the disk, to take out, to return this. My ColeMass, the same with web. Other chores to see other chores belonging to other person, other people in the same apartment. Status to display the Hall of Fame and Hall of Shame. User to see the user setting, to change email, to change absent, move out, delete account. So firstly, I want to show you something we can do on with the chores. Let's log in first to see what has happened. Yeah, so on to do, we can do the same things like done or refused. So let's done. The buy stuff for barbecue. Actually, you want to mark this thing as done. Yes. Yes. It's done. Let's see the result. Yes. The buy stuff for barbecue being assigned and completed by Bob, and it's moved into the completed chores like here. So for the completed chores, we can confirm or report. Let's see that we want to report the task being assigned by Dila Frux had been completed by Dila Frux washing the dish, because actually he has not finished. She has not finished. Yes. Report. Are you sure you want to report to admin? Yes. Yes, it's been reported. So you can see. Yes, it has been reported. And from this kind of action, we can see the statistic, Hall of Fame and Hall of Shame on Android as well. Like Bob has 3 Hall of Fame, Dila has 3 Hall of Fame. Yeah, without Hall of Shames. And that is the functions for the chores actions. Now let's come to QR code scan. Then we can do a lot of things with the QR code. QR code is the things related to associate with the specific dish. And that's, let's log in as Dila in White House. Then come into the QR code functions. And as you can see, let me scan the QR code of the disk, for example here. Yes. So there's a message saying that Bob is using this disk. Do you want to nudge him or her? Like you can see here on the admin, you can see the Bob is now taking the disk. Yes. Yes, you have just nudged successfully. Let's check the result. Here you can see that Bob has been nudged. Here, the chore buy stuff for barbecue has been, yeah. And let's see, in the case of the this is not being assigned to anyone. So let's scan the QR code again, scan the same disk, and then the user will be able to choose to get the disk out. Yes, currently there's no one using the disk. Do you want to take it out? Yes. So Dila will take the disk. Yeah, now the disk is being assigned to Dila. Let's see. Yes, that is being assigned to the last folks. Yeah, and in Android, we can do a lot of things with the user setting, like a change email, change password, change card, report broken, absent, move out, delete account. Let's change email, enter new email, bao.gmail.com, and confirm the password. Yeah, it's updated successfully. And also we can share the function. We can use the sharing social media. With this kind of button, you can open all of the available social media. You can share like a Bluetooth messaging, Facebook, Twitter. But if your device did not install it, you cannot share with it. Like you can share the user has Hall of Fame and Hall of Shame to other flatmates in the new apartment. Yeah, like this one. Dila has the 3 Hall of Fame and Hall of Shame. And then let's come to the green features like absent. You can set absent when you are away on the holiday. Submit. Yeah, and now its user will be directed to the screen absent. And then if he wants to come back, he can click here to come back to the system. Yeah. Now I want to show you one of the awesome features, the offline mode. So how's the calling APIs in offline mode? So as you can see here, there's a lot of actions for the chores. So we can make the done or refuse when the Wi-Fi is off, and then when the Wi-Fi is on again, then it will automatically call the API to run it. Let's see. Now I turn off the API at the Wi-Fi, and I click done. Click yes. Okay, nothing's happened. And let's see if I turn on the Wi-Fi again. Yeah, it's running. You have just complete the chores. So the same thing go with the refuse or report or confirm all the things you have.